Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to teach you how to print a pattern. Uh, you can see that in your screen, you can see that pattern. Today I'm going to teach you 4 steps. In using these steps, you can print any pattern. So let's start with our pattern. Your first step is just draw a box like that, where I denotes as a row and J denotes as a column. J denotes as a column. We will draw two loops here. I will control the row part and J will control the column part. So if you are not familiar with looping, then you should learn how to create a two-dimension array like that, something like that. So now our first step is already completed. Now I'm going to teach you the second step. What is the second step here? The second step is take the value of I and j. There is a there is a logical part. There is a logical part you need to follow. So you can see that when the value of I equals to 1, then what will the value of j? J is 1. When the value of I equals to 2, then in which value the star is printing 1 and 2. And the value of I is 3, it is 1, 2, 3. And then the value of I equals to 4, it is 1, 2, 3, and 4. Now the step this is a step 2. Now step 3 is you have to write your value of j as a smarter way, in smart way. So we can say that when the value of I equals to 1, the value of j is I 1, sorry. When the value of I equals to 2, it will be 1 and 2. So we can say that when the value of I equals to 3, the value of j is 1 and 2 and 3. So we can write that part in smart way, like that. Like that. We can say that j less than equals to 3, j less than equals to 3. You can write that part also. It is a smart way. We are using a smart way. J less than equals to j less than equals to 1, j less than equals to 2. What you need to do, just write your logic in a smart way. Now you can clearly see that we find out the logic when the j value of j is less than equal to 1, then it will be printing star. When will the value of j equals to less than equals to 2, 1 and 2, it will be printing star. Now what we need to do, we have to improve this logic also. For this we will follow step 4. We can Now you can see that the value of j depends upon value of I. When the value of j less than equals to 1, the value of I equals to 1. When the value of I equals to 2, the value of j less than equals to 2, and so on. So we can also write that when the value of j less than equals to 3, 3, not 3, I will write I here. I will write I here. Similar here, I can write that also I. So that's our logic. That's what we need to find here. That's our logic. That's completed. Now let's moving on to coding part. If you're not good with the for loops, you should try You should go for some tutorials, find out some tutorial on YouTube how to create a two-dimensional arrays like that, something like that. In this video, I'm not going to teach you that how to create a for loop. I'm I'm thinking that you must have knowledge about that. So we will do that. We will do it. We will start with our coding. For in 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 this pattern, we can see that I is using. We are using I for rows. So rows, I'm going to take a for loop for rows. In rows, I am taking int I less I equals to 1, I less than equals to 4, I plus plus. This is this loop will control 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 our control our row part. Similarly, I'm going to copy that, and for row for column, I'm going to create a variable named j. Variable named j. Um, j will be the how many columns were there? There were 4 columns. You can see that there were 4 columns over there. When the value of I equals to 1, value of j equals to 1 and 2 and 3. Sorry, 1. We have to print spaces here and here and here. We will write a logic here. I will show you how to write a logic. So next part is what you need to do is you just need to write your logic, your find out logic here. If j less than equals to I, it means you can say that. Now when the loop will start traversing, what will be the value of I? I will be the 1. Then what will be the value of j? J will be 1. In which values we need star here? 1 and 1? Yeah, yeah. You can clearly see that we need it on 1. So we can write our logic here. So on. So if the value of j less than equals to I will be the 1. Then what we need to print is system dot out dot print. I will print star here. But listen, but we have to print spaces also. For space part, we need to do. We will take else part for spacing. Else we will print spaces here. Prints will. I'm going to just copy. I'm going to copy this and I will paste here. We need to when the value of I will be 1, the value of j will be 1. We need start. Now when the loop starting traversing again, the j value becomes 2. Then then it will check j less than equals to I. It will be 2 less than equals to 1. It will be false. Then it will go to else part. Then our space is printed. Now what we need to do is we just need to add this for loop. After traversing j, after the traversing of j, what we need to do is we need to change the line because when J will be the 1, it will print the star here. J will be 2, it will print the space here. J will be 3, and so on like that till 4. After 4, we want to change line. When the traversing J completing his traverse, we want to print. We want to change the line. So for this, I will do that. I will just write a line system dot out dot print ln. It will just change my line. It will just change my line. Then I have not take brackets here. Just take brackets here. Take brackets here. Now it will change the line again. Then what gonna happen next? Let's guess. Just pause the video. Just think what gonna happen next. Now I'm going to tell you what gonna happen next. It will be now the value of I will be increasing. It will be 2. The pointer will be on 2. We can say that it is not like a pointer, but we can say that. Now the value of I became 2. Now what's gonna happen here in coding part I'm showing. When the value become 2, the j value the j value become 1. They will still a 1. They will start his traversal from 1. For after that, it will check the if condition. If our condition is true, it will print star. If our condition is false, it will print spaces. Now I less than equals 2. It is true, it will print star. What we need here, star, it will print star. Then j less than equals to 2. J will be second. Second time j will be 2. And it will print star. So that's what we need it. Now I will run this code. I will compile and execute this code. You can see that it is executing. Unable to. Why the error will coming here? Let me check. One error is here. Yeah, I have not closed the class here. I have to close the class here. It will be now. System not print. Oh, there are still some errors. Just forget that part. You can use any language you want to use. I just you will see that it will give. It will system. Yeah, it will give an error. System. Yes. Yeah, there is a. Now you can see that it will execute now. There are no errors in our program now. Yeah, you can see that it will print that pattern. That's what we need. So I hope you like that program. If you're not good with for loops, then I will surely create a video on for loop also. Thank you. That's all for this session.